Assalamualaikum to our panels. My name is Muhammad Amiruddin Sahimi and my group members are Nur Nadirah binti Cik Hassan and Nur Nada Yasmin binti Aziz. For our final year project, our title will be Factor Affecting Internship Satisfaction in UiTM Seremban 3. Background of study. Internship are opportunities to apply academic learning to a practical experiences. Internship program has become an important learning role in tertiary education system. It was stated to be the career relevant work experience taken by the student from academic program and has been found to help students in enhanced skill and also the environmental workspace value. The youth unemployment rate in Malaysia at 10.9% formally is more than triple the national rate 3.3% and has been steadily ascending over the previous decade. Sadly, out of 5 alumni stay jobless, with the dominant part being degree holder. These alumni make up 55% of the individuals who are jobless as cited in Leo 2019. Youth are likely the ones who still have less exposure in work experience. Youth should have a sufficient knowledge and skills to shifting to any job requirement. As the solution, the internship program has been introduced as a part curriculum for the most of the higher learning institutions worldwide as cited in Summit 2017. The main purpose is to expose students to a real working environment. The internship program will help students to solve the problem related to job. The problem statement. The issue of postgraduates that has not secured a job continue to rise on a worrying level and it will affect negatively to economy or social prospect. The real question is, do the students who had undergone internship satisfied with their internship experience? There were interns stated that they are dissatisfied with their employers. Their employer were caught tricking and bullying their intern by giving them frivolous tasks and deducting their allowance, as cited in Mahizura 2017. A deeper perspective toward the aspect that affect internship satisfaction will lead to the employer and interns improving what is lacking, making the internship program more effective. Thus, student dissatisfaction toward internship program, specifically in Seremban FSKM student, should be examined and studied because their experience could be determined whether or not they are dissatisfied. Research objective. The objective for the study is 1. To identify the factors that contribute to internship satisfaction. 2. To obtain the multiple linear regression model in internship satisfaction. Significance of study. Provide more effective structure of internship. Give insight to strengths and weaknesses and chance to improve their performance. Preparing students to gain maximum potential benefit from their internship. Provide opportunities for better development experience for students.
Explain about the research design that have been used in our study. The type of research design that have been used in our study is a single cross-sectional design. A single cross-sectional design was the most suitable type of research design since all the information about the factor affecting internship satisfaction in UiTM Seremban 3 was collected only once. I will proceed to the research population and sample. So for our target population consists of all FSKM alumni in Universiti Teknologi Mara Negeri Sembilan Seremban campus. So for our sampling frame consists of the list of students who had undergone for an internship from FSKM. There are only 4 courses in UiTM Seremban 3 for FSKM. The first one is the Bachelor of Science with honors in Statistics. The second one is a Bachelor of Science with honors in Computational Mathematics. The third one is a Bachelor of Science with honors in Management Mathematics, and the last one is the Bachelor of Science with honors in Mathematics. So for our sampling method, the type of sampling method that we use is a stratified sampling technique. So the respondent came from the alumni students in FSKM Seremban campus. And we have divided the population into the sample. So firstly, the population was defined, which is the total of the population is 231 alumni. So then we have divided it by the courses, and we get the sample by using the stratified sampling technique, and we get the 145 alumni from all courses that have been selected. So for the data collection method for this study, we have used the primary data collection method, where the researcher get the response from the respondent by using this primary data collection method. And we have used the direct questionnaire to get the response from the respondent. So the questionnaire were distributed to the alumni in Universiti Teknologi Mara UiTM Negeri Sembilan Seremban campus. And the respondent were also given a sufficient time to answer the questionnaire.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nornada Yasmin, and I will continue from this section, which I will be presenting about description of variables, data analysis, result analysis, and conclusion. For the description of variables, we have 5 variables, which is divided into 1 dependent variable and 4 independent variables. Our dependent variable is internship satisfaction, and our independent variables are individual factors, job characteristics, organizational environment, and contextual factors. All of our variables are numerical. For the data analysis, the first one is we use reliability analysis, which we use Chromebox Alpha. The purpose of the reliability test is to test the consistency and stability of the measuring instrument. Chromebox Alpha is used to check the strength of relationship between items from same variable. The Chromebox Alpha of 0.6 or higher for components reflects the measuring items under the particular component and provide a reliable measure of internal consistency. The values of Chromebox Alpha for individual factors and job characteristics are 0.755 and 0.728 respectively, while for organizational environment and contextual factor are 0.904 and 0.798 respectively. The value for Chromebox Alpha shows that for main construct and also for sub-construct has exceeded 0.6 as recommended by. For descriptive analysis, it contains the information on some of the demographic characteristics of respondents, such as respondent gender, course, distance from intern's place to workplace, whether the nature of the internship job related to major of study, duration of internship, and salary. And the last one is multiple linear regression analysis, which is used to estimate the dependent variable internship satisfaction on multiple independent variables, which are individual factors, job characteristic, organizational environment, and contextual factor. It also tests the linear relationship between each of these independent variables and the dependent variable. The table shows the significance value for our independent variables. Based on the table, the significance value for job characteristics and contextual factors are 0.002 and 0 respectively, which are less than 0.05. Therefore, it indicates that there is a relationship between internship satisfaction and job characteristics and contextual factor. However, the significance value for individual factors and organizational environment are greater than alpha 0.05 with the value of 0.643 and 0.475. This indicates that there is no relationship between internship satisfaction and individual factors and organizational environment. The table shows the coefficients for multiple linear regression model, and the obtained equation for internship satisfaction is 1.287 equals to 0.041 individual factor plus 0.286 job characteristics plus 0.043 organizational environment plus 0.252 contextual factor. The last part is conclusion. This research concentrated on analyzing the factors contribute significantly to internship satisfaction, such as individual factors, job characteristics, organizational environment, and contextual factor from the alumni FSKM students in UiTM Negeri Sembilan Seremban campus. The Pearson correlation was carried out to investigate the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. The significance value for job characteristics is 0.002, which is less than alpha 0.05. It shows that there is a relationship between job characteristics and internship satisfaction. Furthermore, contextual factor shows the significance value 0, which are less than alpha 0.05. Therefore, it indicates that there is a relationship between internship satisfaction and contextual factor. However, for the individual factors, it shows that there is no significant relationship between individual factor and internship satisfaction, since the significance value is 0.643 greater than alpha 0.05. The organizational environment variable shows the significance value 0.475. This indicates that there is no relationship between internship satisfaction and organizational environment. For this study, there are only two variables that contribute to internship satisfaction, which are job characteristics and contextual factors. That is all from us. Any suggestions from the panel, we gladly accept. Thank you very much for listening.